If you work in a school, you already know the job is so much more than what happens in the classroom. There's the tracking, the organizing, the systems that never quite work, and the pile of things you keep meaning to fix but never have time for. I built something for that. It's called Teacher Systems Lab. Now, here's what makes it different. Teacher Systems Lab is a custom GPT. That means it's built on top of ChatGPT, but it's not just a general AI. It's been specifically designed and trained for the people who work in schools. Teachers, yes, but also counselors, school nurses, interventionists, office staff, instructional coaches, and administrators. If you have a role in a school building, this tool was built with you in mind. You tell it what's not working, and it walks you through building a real system step by step. Google Sheets trackers, shared drive organization, communication workflows, subfolders, scheduling systems, beginning of the year setup, all of it. It doesn't just spit out generic advice. It asks the right questions and builds something you can actually use. You don't need to be techie. You just need to know what's driving you crazy. Teacher Systems Lab, built for everyone who keeps a school running.